Ciao Tesla people. Today I wanted to show you a new product from a company called the EVBASE, and it's the ambient light for the Frunk. So I have a discount code called Ciao Tesla, and it's 20% off, so it's a good discount. So let's do the unboxing first and then we'll do the installation, okay? So let me put you down here, and let me put the camera right there, and let's do the unboxing. It should be pretty straightforward. There is a Y connector because you need to plug it to the this light here that the Frunk has. This light is not enough to light the Frunk, so that's why I wanted to try a different light for the Frunk. Okay, so a Y connector. Let's open this guy and let's see what's inside. It should be just a Y connector to connect both the light from the Frunk and the light from the ambient. Okay, so a Y splitter, and then this has this I think it's a magnet or a sensor. Yeah, a sensor, ground. Yeah, a sensor. Okay, and then this sponge, little sponge. Okay, I think it's to cover this sensor. Okay, this the Y connector. Okay, let's put it there. And this the light. And so this light goes around here. And it goes all the way around and all comes back here. Okay, so let's remove this Velcro. Okay, and this other Velcro. Okay, I guess it's that goes inside here. Yeah, should be good inside here. Okay, let's move this stuff away. It's just trash. We don't care about that. Okay, and let's unlock this cover from the light right here. So you just need to remove this cover here and just can bend it with your hands. Should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, comes out very easily. That's good. So the Y splitter, I'm going to check it out. What is? Okay, so there is this Y splitter. We unplug this guy. Let me see how is it, because I'm not familiar with this kind of plugs. Oh, there's a maybe yes, no. Let me get a tool. So found a very small knife because there is a clip here that you can push in it, and then the plugs comes out. Okay. Or at least it should. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now this plug needs to go, my guess is here's one of these guys. Should be this. and this guy needs to go inside here, and there's a clip on this side, so you need to do the same thing. So the light's still on, which is good. And so this goes on the LEDs, and as soon as I plug, this should just work. Let me see in which side should I plug, like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then if I let me see. And then this guy needs to go. I think it needs to go here. Yeah. There it is. So the sensor goes inside there. I don't know if you can see it right there. Okay, and so you can have different lights. Let me show you, if I can show you. If I push this button here, it should change colors. To remember how it is it, but it should change colors. Well, in the meantime, we'll mount it. Okay, so let's remove this guy for now, and we'll mount this guy. Now, if I mount it underneath here, like that, so it should go underneath this all the way around. So let me put you down here. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah. Okay. Right there. Okay. Great. Okay. The other way. Let me show you down here. Actually, let me put you down here, and you should see it. That go around all the way around. Okay. I want to have a little bit of patience. Like that. Comes out again here. Okay. Need to put all the way in. Okay, good. Like that. You can put it all the way in, so you can see the white part. Let me show you here. Okay. Great. Okay. Looks good. Let's check it out on the other side. On the corner here. That was my lock chime. Okay, let's check it out down here. Good. Very good. Another little bit here. Okay. Looks good. Looks good to me. And that's it. It's a bit longer than supposed to be. You see, like maybe 10 centimeters. So we put back all the wires and we put the LED strip. The only problem is that this LED strip is longer than the perimeter, so which means it doesn't allow you to put back this. And so how do we fix this? We cut it. And where we cut it? Now, if you look, I'm not sure you're going to see it, but okay, here you see it. In the LED strip, there is a line here in between, and there are some darker spots. For example, here there is one, where it's my finger. With the light, you see a bit. There's another one here, darker spots. So I want to cut it, for example, let's do it right here. Okay. Right there. And you can cut it there. Okay. First of all, you have to disconnect the plugs. So you don't want to have current to go through the LEDs. Okay. So I'll put you back here and I'll do this operation. Okay. So let's unplug the power from these guys. Okay. So the main power is off. Okay. So everything is disconnected. So I want to cut it in the dark spot. And the dark spot was okay. Should be around here. Okay. Cut it there. Put it back this cover for the edge. Okay. Put it back here. And let's see if I cut it correctly. And put it back in. Put it back the sensor here for the ground, and that's it. And so the lights are back on. Now, on previous Model Y, Model 3, this piece, let me put it back. This piece would come off, so you had space to put the wire. So now the wire have to go through this guy, this cover. Okay, so it's not that clean, but it works. So I'll put back this guy inside here. You want to push a bit this guy's up. Okay, so and that's it. You don't see really the wire, and that's it. That's how it works. Now if you push here, you see you change the color. So I have blue, green, purple or violet, blue, and this is the color I like, and orange, and then you have some pinkish type of thing. then this color wire rainbow thing with different animation like this one. Pretty cool. You know, you see? Yeah. And that's it. That's the mounting. So you push this button down here and becomes solid color, or that has some animation, okay? So here change to the colors. You put blue, green, purple, blue, and yellow, I guess. I'll put it this one for now. That's it. So that's how you mount it. Remember the trick of the LED. Sorry about the noise. And that's it. So this is an ambient light for the Frunk from EVBASE. I have a discount code is Ciao Tesla. It's 20% off, so pretty good discount. Check it out in the description. I'm going to leave all the links about this product. The installation is super easy. It takes just a bit long to put this. Few minutes, couple minutes, not much. And the plugs is pretty easy. It's a Y connector. You unplug this guy, this light here, and then you put the Y connector and you plug the LED. And the sensor you need to put on, I think it's a ground sensor. So you need to put on the spot where there is a bolt or something, okay? And that's it. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.